Hi there, I've been at the Geneva car show today, and while I'm stuck in the traffic at the parking exit with nothing else to do but wait, I was watching an email from a comment on YouTube from somebody that says, please do a demo of the Harman Kardon. So I don't know how it's going to listen, what's the quality of the Harman Kardon with the micro of the GoPro, but yeah, let's try. What are we gonna listen? Okay, let's take some 2015. Let's take this, and then let's go to audio, Bluetooth. Okay, it's connecting. So I have to say that I've got some bass, I've got some treble, some yeah, the Harman Kardon Logic 7 is activated. So girls hit you hallelujah, girls hit you hallelujah, girls hit you hallelujah, 'cause Uptown Funk don't give it to you, 'cause Uptown Funk don't give it to you, 'cause Uptown Funk don't give it to you. Saturday night and we in the spot, don't believe me, just watch. It's okay, it's good. It's not as good as the Bang & Olufsen I had on the Audi, but it's not too bad. Let's try with, let's go in the 80s, because I'm a guy from the 80s, so what can we... Ah, this is a good one. That's from the 90s, actually. No, not this, no way. This one. So once again, the phone is connected via Bluetooth. I think that listening the music directly from an SD card or a USB key would be probably a little bit better. Let's see what else I got. Because that's the music on Google Music, so I don't have that much, but let's go with this one. Okay, now let's see, let's change and go on the memory card. So now we're playing from the memory card. You see, now you have the cover on the screen, showing on the screen.
improvise, and it's crystal clear that I don't ever want it to end. If I had my way, I would never leave. Keep building these random memories, turning our days into melodies. But since I can't stay, I'll just keep laying back these fragments of time everywhere I go.
So there you go, you have your Harman Kardon speaker demo. Again, I don't know how it's going to listen on the micro from the GoPro. Probably not the best way of testing some music, but I'll see when I edit the video if it's good enough. Otherwise I don't post it. So bye for now, see ya.